To fix the PayPal issue where your card was declined by the issuing bank, follow these steps. First, understand that this error occurs when your bank does not authorize the transaction, usually due to security measures or insufficient funds. The primary reasons for this issue include insufficient funds in your account, exceeded transaction limits, expired or canceled cards, incorrect card details, or security restrictions imposed by your bank. To resolve the issue, start by verifying your account balance to ensure you have sufficient funds for the transaction. Check your transaction limits and daily spending limits to see if they have been exceeded. Next, confirm that your card is valid and has not expired or been canceled. Ensure that the card details you have entered on PayPal, including the card number, expiration date, and security code, are correct. If you have recently moved or changed your address, update your address on file with your bank to match the one registered with PayPal. Sometimes, banks flag transactions as suspicious if the address does not match. Contact your bank to see if they have any security restrictions in place that may be causing the issue. They may be able to lift these restrictions or provide additional information on why the transaction was declined. Finally, try an alternative payment method or contact PayPal customer support for further assistance. They can help you identify the issue and provide guidance on how to resolve it. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue and complete your transaction successfully. Remember to always keep your account information up to date and monitor your account activity to prevent similar issues in the future.